I am the Lord that healeth thee. I sent my word to heal you, child, receive it, and you will be healed. For I am the Lord that healeth thee. For I will restore your health, and heal you of your wounds. I will bring health and healing to take away your wounds. I am the Lord who forgives all your sins and heals all your diseases. You don't have to worry, I will heal you and guide you. I was stripped for you, and by my stripes you are healed. Pray in faith, and your prayer of faith shall bring healing to your sickness. Whatever you ask in my name, if you believe, you will receive. I heal the brokenhearted and bind up their wounds. I am close to the brokenhearted. In this world you will have trouble. But take heart, fear not, for I have conquered the world for you. My grace is sufficient for you. I will give you strength so you do not weary. You can do all things through me. My words are alive and powerful. They are life to those who find them, and health to all their flesh. I will take sickness away from you, keep you away from every disease, and bring health to your body. No harm will overtake you. I will sustain you on your sickbed. I am your healer. By my stripes I have healed you, and I will restore your health. My words will bring health to your body. Healing is my children's bread. My children should not be denied their bread. You are my child, and healing is your divine right. Do not allow anyone to deny you your healing. I will strengthen you